Hi guys, it's Alex. I'm here today because I decided to do something a little different. I've been watching a lot of my dog or my cat chooses my makeup challenges, and I decided to do that with my two kittens. Well, they're not kittens. They chose some pretty good things. So we'll get started. I didn't include the primer for them to choose, so I kind of was waiting to see which foundation they ended up picking. So right now I'm just using the Bare Minerals Prime Time primer. Oh my gosh. Can you see him back there? You being nice? So I just put on my primer. So the cats, I believe if it was Kirby, I can't remember, but I'll insert the clips as
Hey babies. We've got the Bare Minerals, we've got the Makeup Forever, and the Maybelline. Which one? Oh, this one. Okay, good choice.
I chose the Bare Minerals foundation, which is what I've been using. So a good choice. And with this one, I just put a little bit in the cap, and I got this little brush that came with that set. And I just kind of tap off the excess, and then I just swirl it in. And I'll probably just end up fast forwarding this part.
Benefit, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Pores Bronzer.
Which one? Come here. Pick one, Kirby. Okay, you hit the It Cosmetics.
Good job, baby.
Next, the cats chose the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Bronzer. This is the one I've been using, so good job, kittens, again.
Okay, next up, we got the Maybelline Fit Me, the Physicians Formula, or the Morphe.
Which one, Kirby? Come on, pick one.
Kirby, which one you gonna pick?
You gotta come pick one. Which one, Livy? Olivia, which one? Livy, which one?
Okay, we're gonna go with this one. Good job.
And next, they chose the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Vintage Rouge. Looks like that.
Balm highlighter, a Jeffree Star Cosmetics, or an Hourglass.
Which one?
Jeffree Star. Okay, good job.
And they chose the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the collab he did with Manny MUA and the shade Uranus. And it looks like this. It's a really pretty, like, light gold shade.
We've got the Benefit Gimme Brow, Milani, or Anastasia.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the Milani since you obviously attacked that one first. And he really likes this one. Kirby chose this Milani brow gel, but and usually I just fill in my brows with that. But I think since it's 4th of July, I'm gonna fill in with a pencil and then use that to set my brows. We got the Laura Lee Cat's Pajamas, the Very Dirty Jaclyn Hill, or the Morphe 24G. Okay, the Morphe 24G. So now I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna use the Morphe Grand Glam palette. I'll show you what the inside looks like. I just did this eye, but I had to readjust the camera, so I'm gonna show you guys again. I'm gonna take this one and this here in the palette and mix them together and put it all over in my crease. Now I'm gonna take this brownish red color down here. I might mix this one, and this one together. They're kind of like the same tone. I'm just gonna put that right underneath in my crease. Now I'm just gonna take this with no extra product on there, and just kind of blend them all together. Since it was 4th of July, I was gonna put a little blue on the bottom. So I'm just gonna take one of those light colors, brown colors, mix it in. I'm gonna take this Lorac denim shade, pretty blue, and I'm just gonna buff that in on my bottom lash line. I think what I'm gonna do is add a little bit more like this silvery lighter color. It's a little better. Blend those two. Wish I had better lighting. But for now, all I have is what nature gave me. Next, I'm just gonna tight line my waterline with this Tarte black regular old eyeliner. Now we've got to choose mascara. We've got, L'Oreal. We got the Marc Jacobs or the other L'Oreal. Okay, he wants that first one. He really wants it. Now I'm gonna put this mascara on.
Ivy. We're gonna have a bunch of different lipsticks. Kirby, Kirby, Libby, go choose a lipstick. Come here, Kirby, pick a lipstick. Oh, that little one. Okay, good choice. I think it's a red one. Want to smell it? Okay.
And I'm gonna use this little guy as a little sample that I got, I think, for Christmas. I've never used this color before. It's from Bite, and it's in the shade Cayenne. Okay. Now I'm just gonna set it finally with my Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. Hurry up and dry. Okay. I think that's gonna complete this look. Like I said, some people just have bad bad makeup days, and I feel like today's one of them. I don't think my eyes look bad at all. There's just something not right with my face makeup. I don't know. I love the Bare Minerals too, and I don't know if it's this lighting or what, but I just look really tired in those under eyes, so I don't know. But other than that, it's not bad for this little makeup look. It's pretty cute. And thanks to my kittens for picking them out. Thanks, guys. Love you. They have good taste. Bye.